day, dear colleagues. Good day, dear visitors of Rubberdamology channel. My name is Apokin Alexander. I am a dentist. Today, I will start English variant of self-training education to learn the practice using rubber dam isolation in the mouth cavity of your patients. It's very important technology which laying at the base of adhesive dentistry, composite restorations, endodontics. And of course, we mean one very important thing, quality. Rubber dam is quality in dentistry. So today we're starting our talk about two kinds of clamps. I made for you some small setup, and I show you, and we start to work with it. First of all, clamp with the wings, clamp number 7. And of course we want to know the difference with clamp number U3, clamp, wingless clamp for molars, and clamp number 2 and clamp number U2. Then we learn the difference between two types of rubber dam plates. My favorite, the rubber dam plate number 1 in the world of dentistry, Nicton. The number 2, also very good material, Sanctuary dental dams, number 2. Our armamentarium is instrument for clamps, different types. They're very good instrument from Sanctuary. Unknown instrument from Pakistan, and two types of punchers. Number 1 in the world is the Sanctuary puncher, very good, very interesting material, instrument, and unknown instrument from Pakistan. Also you need frame, metal frame, no matter what kind of frame you are using with these exercises, plastic or metal, and which size, no matter. Main idea, you can learn this subject by yourself at home if you are a student, or if you are a young doctor and you need a practice and sometimes you are afraid to start this method in your daily clinic. I have one model with plastic, with the rubber gum, and we're starting with the exercise number 1. We open our box with the rubber dam plates and take one of them. We're using rubber dam Nicton thin. Good. Let's fix our rubber dam to frame. We have two surfaces. One surface is for mouse, and one surface is for your working area. It's not shiny. Fix your rubber dam plate at the one finger, and then cover with angle of metal frame, press with your finger and make the same from the other side. Very small tension. The same tension at the lower right and lower left angles of frame, and then fix your rubber dam to the right angle. We have good tension of our rubber dam. We are working today with very simple instruments. I'm using Sanctuary dental puncher, and let's think about our clinical goals and decide that we're starting to endodontic work with the tooth number 36. We need only one perforation, one clamp to working with endodontic through occlusal surface. If you're working with one tooth, make your perforation at the center of your rubber dam plate, not at the center of your frame, but at the center of your rubber dam. For one perforation, for one tooth, we choose hole, not very big. It's also good for molars, but we made the second hole. Press and cut. One perforation is ready. Good. Working with the clamp. Every clamp in your clinic must have sterile bag. Your clamp have two wings, big and two wings small. I switch my camera again so you can look back, have a better view. Let's see what you need to do. Take your clamp to your finger like a ring. Perpendicularly insert this big wing into perforation. Then hold your rubber dam plate around perforation and stretch it to the other side of your clamp. Good. Then you need fixation of your clamp with your clamp pillars. Insert your branches into filaments and press your stopper distally, not very long, at the middle. This is enough. Then release fixation of your rubber dam plate from the angles of your frame. Take one angle of rubber dam plate and angle of your frame and hold it with your fingers. Then insert your clamp pillars with the clamp into the mouth to the tooth of 33 and release your stopper from the clamp pillars and remove your instrument from mouth. This is good. Then fix your rubber dam plate to your frame. You are ready. Then we start to working with the probe. We have a dental instrument and choose the probe from your instruments and release the rubber dam from your wings of clamp. This is good. During my next exercises, every exercise we finish with the making envelope from the free part. Very small tension of the free part of your rubber dam plate to down. Hold it with your fingers. And the next angle, free angle, pull to the top over the end of your frame. Hold the plique inside this part with your fingers of the right hand or left hand, no matter, and then pull your inner part of the rubber dam over the lower left angle of your frame. The same methods at the right side. Pull down, insert all free parts of your rubber dam inside the frame. Pull your free angle to the top over the end of your frame. Hold your rubber dam inside and then pull inner part of rubber dam over the left or right down angle of your frame. This envelope is ready. And so, dear colleagues, we finish our first exercises. I hope you like it. I want to have feedback from you. What aspects of rubber dam isolation you want to learn the next exercise? Please write it in comments below the video. Also, don't forget to like it and share in your social profiles. Thank you, goodbye.